So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? So for today's video mga tech shop, we have here a Vivo 12 or Y12s not charging and display issue or no display mga tech shop. So let's go ahead and replace charging port for this phone mga tech shop, kasi I noticed na murag damage ng iyang charging port. So basically pag remove sa charging port mga tech shop, apply lang ka og heat using a hot air blower from a soldering station. So akong gigamit nga init is 400 degrees Celsius ra mga tech shop, ra dali ra siya matanggal. And then using soldering wick mga tech shop to remove the old solder lead para limpyo siya mga tech shop. And then we'll apply new solder lead and then prep sa kaning bagong charging port. Mag-apply ta og soldering lead sa mga pins para inig solder na to sa charging board. Matic na mo pilit na siya dito mga tech shop. And then kanang paste mga tech shop is actually flux, solder flux, no? Mo siya makatabang pag flow sa soldering lead. Mas dali siya i-solder basta na ay flux mga tech shop, mas dali siya malanay. So basically all the tools that I've been using in my repairs, ako na siya ibutang sa tag items for this video or links on the description. So just check on it mga tech shop, just in case if you want to practice micro soldering or mobile repairs. You can order it online mga tech shop, and through my videos you can use it as a guide when repairing devices. Alright, let's go. Alright, so just make sure mga tech shop the pins are making a good connection to the charging board. If mulihok gani siya inig touch nimo using a tweezer, that means it's not making a good connection, so you'll need to apply a little bit of soldering lead, no, just like what I did there. So you can use soldering iron or hot air para lang mo solid ang iyang connection. Okay, kung dili siya solid connection, tendency ma-backjab gani mga tech shop. So just make sure solid yung connection. Okay, charging port mo na kasagaran ma-damage, especially dili matarong og taod ang charger. And then apply soldering lead on the legs of the charging port, and then clean it up using alcohol and Q-tips. So simple ra siya nga process mga tech shop, dali ra jud gani siya katunon, but you will need to exert effort and time. Okay, so after replacing charging port, let's do a test mga tech shop using a multi-tester. So we should have like 3 to 4 bolts going to the flex or port flex, no? So let's see mga tech shop. Alright, so ni detect na ang voltahe mga tech shop. I thought nasablay na itong pagka-solda ato mga tech shop, but anyway na detect ra ang voltahe, so we're good. Next step mga tech shop is we will need to put a solder mask. So recommended gining solder mask mga tech shop para protect sa siya sa mga corrosions, no, kay kani mga charging port dali ra kay na ma-corroded, kay open man guna siya, open, so dali na tendency masudlan og tubig. So using solder mask ma-avoid ang kanang corrosion, kay matabunan man na siya sa solder mask, so di siya mabasa basically, no. So important gining solder mask kay di siya mabasa dayon, kaya biya mo agi ang voltahe. So kung magka mabasa na siya, and then taura ni mong charging or charger, na tendency nga maka short circuit mo na masunog gani ang charging port. So ma-avoid na nimo if you put a solder mask, kay ini kabasa ana niya ang katong main connection niya nga magian sa voltahe matabunan man sa solder mask, so safe ra. Alright, so again, all the tools that I've been using in my repair, including the solder mask, it's on the link mga tech shop. So if you wanna order it, just click the link or the tag items. Let's go. So since nilaos naman ang voltage mga tech shop, let's proceed with the second issue, which is the display. Because as you can see, broken ang LCD mga tech shop, so we'll need to replace a new LCD para magamit na ni sa customer. So let's test the new LCD and see if it's working. So basically this display is working, touch is working, so we are now ready to attach this LCD or glue this LCD and assemble the phone, mga tech shop. So once again, if you're interested on all the tools that I've been using in my repairs, you can check the link on the description, or you can check the tag items, mga tech shop. Naroon na dito mga tools. Alright, let's go. So after applying the glue mga tekshop and use clamps, after 1 hour uga na ang glue na mga tekshop, so you can remove it and then proceed to assembly. So before you assemble, do a test first, and then if everything is working, then assemble the phone mga tekshop. Alright, so we are good to go mga tekshop, working ng phone. And again, if you're interested in the tools that I've been using, you can check the link on the description, and you can also check the tag items mga tekshop. Let's go, see you on the next video. Let's go.